Welcome back to Rank to Recommend. I'm Barrie Buckner, CEO of GTMA and EvernodeAI. Now, in the last lesson, we asked one simple question. How does a property become one of the 3 recommendations Google gives? To answer that question, we first need to understand how all these new AI marketing concepts fit together. Now, over the last couple of years, our industry has introduced a lot of new acronyms. We have SEO, GEO, AEO, CSO, AIO. Some people treat them like they're competing ideas. Others assume one has replaced the other. I don't believe either is true. And that's why I created what I call the search pyramid. Because I realized these weren't competing strategies, they were pieces of the same system. So take a look at the pyramid. The biggest mistake I see marketers make is assuming AI search replaced SEO. It didn't. It was built on top of it. Let's start at the foundation. At the bottom is SEO, Search Engine Optimization. SEO is still incredibly important. Its job is to help search engines understand your business so they can surface it when someone is looking for it. Your website structure, your technical foundation, your content, your authority, those signals, they are still incredibly valuable. So SEO isn't dead, it's the foundation. Now we move up one level. This is AIO, Artificial Intelligence Optimization. This is where the shift begins. Traditional SEO helps search engines understand your content. AIO is the strategy for strengthening your digital DNA. Think about it. Every blog, every review, every web page, Google Business Profile update, every social post, every digital touchpoint is teaching AI something about your business. Who you are, what you do, what makes you different, whether it should trust you enough to recommend you. Together, those signals shape what we call your digital DNA. Now that's why I call AIO the strategy. It's the discipline of intentionally strengthening the signals that help AI understand, trust, and recommend your business. Now look at the top of the pyramid. You'll see 3 more acronyms, GEO, AEO, and CSO. This is where most of the confusion starts. People often treat these as separate strategies, but they're not. They're tactics. 3 different ways to execute your broader AIO strategy. CSO helps AI understand the way people naturally communicate. GEO helps your business become a trusted source. And AEO helps AI confidently deliver the best answer from those trusted sources. 3 different tactics, 1 strategy, 1 goal. Now, let's put the entire pyramid together. SEO is the foundation. AIO is the strategy. GEO, AEO, and CSO are 3 different ways of executing that strategy. From this point forward, every lesson in this series will build on one part of this pyramid. So, if there's one thing I want you to remember from this lesson, it's this. AI search didn't replace SEO. It built on top of it. In the next lesson, we'll begin unpacking those tactics by looking at conversational search optimization, or CSO, and why AI doesn't think in keywords. It thinks in conversations. All right, folks. I'll catch you in the next lesson.